Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2014 Harley Davidson XL883 Nightster Sportster Edition. This bike has just over 50 miles on it and basically still brand new. Got a couple of nice accessories on it, so we'll take a walk around it and then we will fire it up for you. I mean, with between 50 and 60 miles on this bike, I mean, it's basically still brand new. Tires on it, excellent. So one of the accessories it comes with is drag bars. It also has aftermarket comfort grips. This bike also comes with OEM mid controls and an OEM solo seat. So, again, there's your mid controls, grips, drag bars. Basically a brand new bike without that brand new bike price tag. 61 miles is what's on it. Oop. Left it in gear. This 883 Nightster has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this Sportster from us, you will get a discount on parts, on your labor, and on your accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.